Hi there, hope you're all doing well. Today's celebrity makeup is from Kendall Jenner. I'll be taking you step by step on how I achieved this transformation. So before starting, I feel like I should mention that this isn't an actual makeup look tutorial, meaning this isn't a makeup look you can include in your daily routine. This is mostly for artistic purposes. Having said that, I might be able to create similar looks for a daily makeup. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in something like that. So as you can see, I started by using face tapes to change the shape of my eyes mostly, as Kendall's eyes are more upturned and smaller than mine. Next, I'm going to cover my eyebrows so that I can create new eyebrows, and the way I did this is by covering my eyebrows in school glue, brush through them with a spoolie brush and then apply loose powder. I applied concealer over my eyebrows and blended it onto my eyelids, ensuring the edges are smooth before setting everything with powder. Not satisfied with the coverage, I added a second coat of glue and powder. To draw the eyebrows, I used water-based face paint, which is easier on covered eyebrows. I activated the pigment with fixing spray and applied it with a small flat brush. If you see me looking to the side, I'm checking a photo for reference. Though her eyebrows are dark, I start with brown and darken them after completing the rest of the face. Using a cream bronzer, I created a shadow from the sides of my nose to my eye crease, extending to the outer corner and slightly under my eye. I add shades where I need smaller or hollowed areas. I prefer cream bronzer or a darker cream foundation for contouring, as it gives a more realistic and blended finish. This is when the magic starts. Using a deeper cream contour, I'll define and transform my features to look more like Kendall's. The nose shape is essential for this look. Kendall's nose has curved nostrils, a wider bridge, and a narrow top. These subtle details make each person's face unique. In the end, I blend until it looks natural but not so much that I lose all the work done. Kendall has smaller lid space than I do, possibly due to the shape of her eyebrows. I'll keep adding details from the photo in front of me. The more details, the greater the resemblance. Now it's time to create the lips. Kendall Jenner's lips have a defined shape with a slightly fuller lower lip and a pronounced Cupid's bow on the upper lip. Her balanced and well-proportioned lips contribute to her signature look. Let me share a secret. I never have a plan for these makeup looks. I just create as I go, like working on a blank canvas. I'm always scared I'll fail, and I have failed many times. But I don't mind posting my failures because I believe that one day, I'll look back and see how much I've improved. Now I'm adding highlights to the face, which will create the illusion of certain features being more prominent. By the way, if you're still watching, thank you so much. If you're enjoying what you're seeing and haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Time to add some eyeshadow. I'm using an old palette, Dream St. Kathleen Lights X Colourpop. I'm starting with this matte brown shade. I'm applying it above the crease, exactly where I previously added the contour. Next, I'm adding this light peach shade onto my brow bone. Then, I'm applying this light shade with a nice sheen to it. I'm applying it all over the mobile eyelid to add extra dimension. Again, using the matte brown, I'm adding some under my eye to create a natural smoky eye effect like Kendall's. Next, I'm going to create a very thin line with black liquid eyeliner. And somehow I managed to get it into my eye too. Time for lashes. Create a line of glue slightly away from where you'd usually start applying lashes and a bit further out on the winged eyeliner we just did. Then, place the false lash on that glue. Now I'm adding black mascara to both the top and bottom lashes. As I mentioned earlier, I'm now darkening my eyebrows as needed, using black eyeliner for this step. Now I've noticed she has a dimple in her chin, so I'm adding that detail. Another crucial step is cutting the jawline with my deep contour shade, which immediately transforms the entire look. This is why I mentioned earlier that this isn't a tutorial and not meant for public wear. It's not very flattering from the side, adding final details that don't require much blending. Applying blush to the cheeks. Now I'm adding powder contour for more definition. Now I'm applying lipstick from the BH Cosmetics Nude Lipstick Palette. Now for some highlight. The placement isn't where I usually put it, but I needed to create a glowy look. I couldn't do it the normal way because face tapes would come off much quicker if I applied any oils to my skin. Ready for the final reveal? In 3, 2, 1. Voila! This is the finished result. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Any feedback on how to improve my content is appreciated. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.